Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm one of the owners of Bock Steam Star, and I just wanted to come and point out a few things in this time. I hope you're all well. I hope you're healthy and all that. But I was looking at this sign yesterday on our refrigerator at home. My wife had put this sign up about washing the hands, and I stopped and thought, you know, that's really simple, but it does speak a lot of truth about this current situation. Yes, there is a COVID-19 pandemic. That's real. That can't be ignored. And Bock Steam Star is open and providing deep cleaning services. That being said, if you have an outbreak at your home or office, a confirmed case, we're not a company, and most carpet cleaners wouldn't be that type of company, although we do work around and in those fields. And I have been talking with and listened in on a lot of the IICRC instructors, consultants. I've read a lot recently as we tried to formulate an approach for Bock Steam Star. And full disclaimer here, yeah, I'm not claiming to have all the answers. I am an IICRC master textile cleaner with 25 years experience dealing with deep cleaning systems. So we know a little bit more than the average bear, but I just want to share some opinions today pertaining to healthy deep cleaning systems, maybe some terms that are out there that are being thrown around in order to inform you, and you can make smart business decisions and the things that are coming up, okay? Here are some practical things that we are doing now, as I'm sure others are in the industry as well, practicing social distancing, washing of our hands regularly, following the CDC recommendations, or using sanitizers when soap and water are not available. We're going to come back to that. Certainly we're staying home if we're not feeling well. We're wearing medical gloves and shoe covers, certainly sanitizing our equipment between each job, which have always been standard operating procedures, but certainly we're paying attention to them in greater importance today. But let's first start with some definitions of some terms that have been thrown around that I've been hearing a lot about and talking to people about. Disinfection versus sterilization and sanitization. Okay, disinfection and sterilization are both decontamination processes, while disinfection is the process of eliminating or reducing harmful microorganisms from inanimate objects and surfaces. Sterilization is the process of killing all microorganisms. Now here's the point. Neither of them are possible on soft goods or textiles. You cannot do that. And when I say soft goods and textiles, we're talking carpets, upholstery, cubicle panels, chairs, things of that nature. Okay, our goal should be sanitizing. Okay, sanitizing is bringing a textile back to a safe level for human occupancy. So it's dependent on what is affecting the material as to what needs done. You know, for instance, applying a detergent and deep cleaning via hot water extraction, a high performance hot water extraction, may be all that is needed for the indoor environment. Others may need removal of contaminated materials and applications of disinfectants, or even, you know, fogging, electrostatic fogging, thermal fogging, all those things designed for that surface and applied following the product instructions in order to achieve the claims the product states. So the label is the law. So I think might be a good thing. Look at the label, read the label, and that'll tell, is it actually designed for the surface that it's being sold to you on, and educate yourself with that. It's also important to note, no one can make claims that they are killing anything or disinfecting anything without someone doing field testing. Swabbing, air sampling, an industrial hygienist might be involved. Okay, so careful with the claims out there. We can certainly be applying sanitizers for the, you know, health of the indoors. All those things I think are good things and might be necessary. But are they always necessary? Okay. Do we really need them? I'm not sure. Always. This leads me back to the hand washing scenario again. The fact is that proper cleaning of surfaces like washing your hands, okay, it offers more protection than the application of hand sanitizers alone, as it removes the contamination rather than just trying to kill it or destroy it. Our system's kind of just like that. We use detergents first, we agitate, we get proper dwell time and then rinse with really, really hot water. Okay, the CDC also recommends cleaning the entire indoor environment, not just touch points, so soft goods should be deep cleaned too. Okay, so let's review there a little bit. Number one, you can't disinfect soft goods, textiles, but detergents and really hot water are a good thing. Okay, you may or may not need a disinfectant to achieve a sanitary level. And two, deep cleaning via hot water extraction of a truck mount has always been healthy for the indoor environment. And number three, it's better to remove as much of the contamination as possible rather than just trying to kill or destroy it. So we are available to discuss your commercial and residential deep cleaning needs of your carpets, your upholstery, tile, cubicle panels, rugs, even hardwoods. Okay, so let us know if you have questions. I'm sure there's going to be plenty in this, and that's okay. And we'll try to help if we can, but we want to be an honest operator with you too, and direct you to other areas and friends that we have in the industry, and just try to always operate with truth with you. So God bless you, stay healthy, and stay clean out there.